What if I told you that the one thing you're best at is actually a compatibility error? Think of it like a brilliant, powerful app from your old phone that you've moved to your new one. It runs flawlessly, but it drains the battery and secretly keeps your new phone from reaching its full potential. Have you ever had that glitchy feeling that you're living a life that's comfortable but not purposeful? That feeling isn't a mistake. It's a system notification. It's a pop-up from a deeper part of you, warning that your potential is coded for so much more than what comes easily. It's a sign that your greatest strengths might be a beautiful, gilded cage keeping you stuck. You're not broken, you're just running outdated software. We all have default settings, effortless talents we lean on. For some, it's a natural gift for connection. For others, a mind that solves problems like a supercomputer. We're told to build our lives on this foundation. But what if that's like trying to build a skyscraper on the foundation of a cozy one-story house? In spiritual philosophy, there's a framework that offers a different perspective, centered on 2 points in your birth chart called the lunar nodes. These aren't planets, but think of them as your soul's personal GPS. The south node is your home address, the starting point you know by heart. The north node is the new exciting destination you've plugged in for this lifetime's journey. Your south node is your spiritual hometown, the collection of skills and behaviors you've mastered over many lifetimes. It's your comfort zone. It feels like your favorite old playlist. It feels easy because you've already walked these paths 1,000 times. But here's the paradox, the beautiful trap. When we only drive around our south node hometown, life stagnates. We become the spiritual equivalent of the high school football star who never left his hometown, endlessly reliving his glory days. This is the South Node's shadow, where your greatest strengths, when overused, become your greatest limitations. If the South Node is the rearview mirror, the North Node is the open road ahead. It symbolizes your soul's mission, the new territory it's craving to explore. But here's the catch. It almost always feels like trying to write with your non-dominant hand. It's unfamiliar, challenging, and awkward. Imagine a person whose system is hard-coded with a south node in Aquarius. Aquarius is the energy of the collective, the group, and detached logic. This person is a master of the system guest mode. They can blend into any crowd and analyze any data set perfectly. But their north node, their soul's upgrade path, is in Leo. Leo is the sign of the individual, the creative heart, and the leader. Astrologically, this means their destiny isn't to stay in the background of the cloud, it's to step onto the stage and be seen. Can you see the system conflict? Every time they have a chance to lead, their Aquarius instinct pulls them back into observer mode. Standing out feels like a privacy breach. Taking a creative risk feels like a logic error. Their greatest gift, the ability to be a team player, is the very thing preventing them from embarking on their Leo journey of self-expression. The South Node is your foundation, but it is not your destination. The North Node is the call to adventure. First, identify your default settings. What comes so easily to you that you don't even think about it? Second, embrace the awkwardness. Moving toward your North Node is supposed to feel uncomfortable. As Abraham Maslow wrote, one can choose to go back toward safety or forward toward growth. Growth must be chosen again and again. Fear must be overcome again and again. If you want to turn this insight into a daily practice, my daily Recode journal is designed to help you check your map, reset your intentions, and take those small, courageous steps toward your destination. You can find the link in the description below. Your greatest talents are a gift from your past. It's time to become a master of both worlds. Welcome to the sandbox.